So one of the things we do in our strategy session up front is we actually ask them to rank what's most important to them when it comes to the publishing. So, for example, I'm trying to think of what they are off the top of my head, but it's things like how much time it takes them versus the budget, whether the people that they're working with have similar values and philosophy to them, whether they're in the same country as them or outside. There's a whole heap of criteria that we've come up with to get people to rank. And then that way we can go, okay, you have very little time, but budget isn't really an issue, and these are the things that you care about. So actually we're going to introduce you to this hybrid publisher versus actually you really want to have control. What we do is you want to have full control over the process. So maybe self-publishing is right. And these are the people you need to work with to help you do it well. And so that's the thing that we're looking at. And we look at that right up front because I think even though lots of them, they're not going to get to that for another year or so, it's really helpful for them to understand a picture of their whole journey instead of just thinking of it in kind of myopic stages, is really consider that whole journey.